Good evening, grinders. It is October 1st, 2025. That is the start of Q4 and obviously the end of Q3. I know I personally thought September was going to be rocky, but we were pleasantly surprised. S&P 500 finished up 3.5%, which is the best September since 2010. So congratulations for those of you who didn't trade out, because September historically a kind of a bummer of a month or a down month. We made through it. We got through it. And if you're an investor in tech stocks, you're an investor in Google, Nvidia, Apple, Palo Alto, you had a Robinhood, you've had a heck of a September, or Q3 for that matter as well. But let's get to the story of the day, and that is Netflix. Netflix shares are down just over 2% today, and they were down this morning, and I was wondering why in the world was it down. Is it because of the government shutdown? Well, I did find this story that Elon Musk is taking it to Netflix. So he posted on X, quote, "Cancel Netflix for the health of your kids," end quote. Now, he didn't just stop there. In addition, Elon reshared a post from another user who said they are canceling their Netflix subscription because the company employed, quote, "someone who celebrated the murder of Charlie Kirk and makes content that pushes pro-trans content on my kids," end quote. Now, Netflix shares opened lower and they closed, like we said, just above 2% lower. We can't really say that Elon's post online really created this down day in Netflix stock when some of the pockets in the market were down as well. Like Uber is in our portfolio down 1% today. Robinhood, who's been running hot, down 3% today. That could be because it just hit a new high. Meta, another company we love, down 2% today. So it's not to say that Elon brought the stock down today, but it's interesting to see the stock fall as much as it did today. I did want to take a look at the scoreboards. Scoreboards are the major indexes, and I wanted to highlight the S&P 500 hit a new high today. Even though we are in a government shutdown, we are still hitting new highs for S&P 500. That new high is 6,718. The Nasdaq, the Dow, and the Russell all closed positive today. Nvidia also hit a new high today of 188.14, closed at 187.24. It still squeaked out and had a gain for the day. We've highlighted Vertiv. They are a partner with Nvidia as far as data center build out infrastructure. They provide liquid cooling, and they keep those powerful chips cool. There's a lot of energy, a lot of heat that's generated in those data centers, and they keep everything cool and working efficiently. Those shares today of Vertiv, VRT is the ticker symbol, up 7% today. Past 5 days, up 14%. Past month, 27%, or just shy of that. And the past 6 months, look at this, up 115%. And we just sold some of these shares in our long portfolio to take a little bit of profit. Those shares are up 100%. So we took a little bit off the top and we added to companies like Meta. We've been adding to Meta. Our target was 750. This is well below 750 today. And Netflix, a company we talked about already, we're looking for it to fall to 1150. It fell today to 1163. So still remaining patient on getting a few more shares of Netflix. That's going to do it for this evening. Happy Wednesday.